is asking ready.
CR, hello.
Remal.
Rigor. Racist, come.
You marked their goal, right?
Yeah. The collar, I'll mark him. Be ready for, like, he's looking okay. The collar is a heart mark. Be ready? Look on the west side. West side in 3, 2, 1.
Wow, Grimmer, you're so quick, dude.
Go back. Hold. I missed. Just hold. Don't cut too far. Don't cut too far. Hold and reset. Hold down.
I don't want to go to the choke.
Hold on. Miss. Just hold on. Perma, cool downs.
Pull down.
Okay. You have cooldowns?
Yeah,
Okay, solo tank in 5.
Just say ready.
Ready.
Ready. Right?
Where is the four of them?
Just hold. Keep linked. Ready? Defensive one way. Demon in heal. Alright, nice. Come up here. Go cut to the choke.
Did someone die?
No. Give me cooldown. Hold.
No one will die.
Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In front of us. On the corner.
You need to fight.
Immediately kite back now. Defensive one way. Kite to choke. Peel. I need night hums. Peel. Reset on me. Reset cooldowns. Give me cooldowns, boys. Do we have cooldowns?
Kill the mob, please. Kill the fucking mob.
Do we have
He's
cooldowns?
looking on Grimmer. He's
Ready.
looking on.
Okay, look in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this two. Burma. No Burma. Come back. Come back. Peel for me. Kite north. Occult north. Northwest. Occult. Northwest. Okay, hold here. Reset cooldowns. Burma ready.
He's engaging on someone in the front.
Look south. One. Hit.
Where?
Nice. Burma north now. Move. Bro, they're pushing the collar inside. Move north. Peel for me. Okay, reset cooldowns here. Hold here. Reset cooldowns. Hold on ping. Where are you going? Look, come in. Hold on ping.
You're way too clumped.
Defensive on the front. Defensive on. Heal user. Okay, look north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Big. Alright, kite north to the choke. Kite. Okay, leave him a front line. Reset cooldowns. Okay, look south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this one guy. Okay, hold. Come north.
You can come now.
Yeah.
You can come down. Guys, on the ping. Where are you going? Hello? Look at the mark. Okay? Hold. Give me cooldowns, boys. Burma ready? Ready? Alright?
Ready.
Look shallow on southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On southeast now. Please follow on the collar. Can we kill? Okay, kite north now. Peel. Kite north to the choke. Kite north to the choke. I need
They're looking in the front.
He's on me. Okay, come back. Reset cooldown. Look in the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Good. Can we kill? Okay, peels for me. Be ready. Peels. Defensive one front line. Okay, reset cooldowns. Look at reset cooldowns. Burma ready.
Ready.
Burma ready? Okay, walking boys. Look at the D-tank in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the D-tank. Okay, ready for the GA. GA ready. Just hold. Defensive one up front. With the heal, bro. Okay, hold. Come. Reset cooldowns, reset cooldowns. Reset cooldowns, okay? Walk in. We're gonna look, okay? We're gonna look south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look south. Big defensive.
We got Jade.
Walk in. Defensive one, heal. Okay, look, give me cooldowns now. Guys, cooldowns. Tell me cooldown.
Ready.
Ready, Parma ready? Okay. Walk in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at me. Bam. Nice. Come back. Hold. Defensive one. I'm dead. Okay, tell GG.